Point of care manufacturing is the future. You know, if we really want to democratise access to clinical trials, we have to have a vertically integrated manufacturing system. There is an urgency to solving brain cancer, and I'd met all of these parents who'd lost their children, and people who'd lost their loved ones, and I hear their stories, and their stories are so real. And I knew as an immunologist that I had an opportunity to apply cell therapy to this wicked disease. This is really why we chose to partner with Miltenyi. The Prodigy enables us to really scale these little lab factories around the country. There is an urgency to solving brain cancer. We have to talk about cure.